We pass in this world but once, so we should always do the best that we can. I try to follow this religiously to the extent of blaming myself for every mistake that I have committed, to the extent of hurriedly covering up every downfall that I have encountered. Then came this realization that I have traveled long enough, that I have long endured all the pains that I came across, and I have always emerged victorious over all the challenges that I met. Perhaps it is only in vlogging that I find it hard to meet the deadlines. I know all the while that I have always shared my very best. I'm almost 5 years in this platform. I'm mostly aware that I have ventured quite long enough, that I have tried every blind focus to establish my signature content, that I have remained hopeful in the midst of hopelessness, that I tried to remain strong in the midst of my weakness, and that I have always told myself that I am not affected by financial worries, and find ultimate satisfaction at the onset of having something to sharpen my thoughts at the least. To all the small YouTubers out there, never ever give up. Stay cool while waiting for your time. Climb every step of the road ahead without fear. Disregard disillusions along the way. The road is still narrow, quite long and winding, but believe you still can. Always think that no matter how long it will still take for you to go on, the time for you will absolutely come. The time in dreaming is not a dream anymore, but a sure and vivid reality. Strive hard to survive whatever challenges may come. It will never be easy to brave all the trials that you may envision in this venture. I may have gone this far and have long admitted that everything that I have gone through is never enough and will never be enough in the years to come. The climb to 1,000 followers is a pain more than joy. The climb does not only involve my clan, but others as well. Others whom I never knew before, but suddenly became my unseen friends. When I woke up with 1,000 followers, the happiness that I had cannot be literally measured. But somewhere along the way, I don't know why when hundreds were added, hundreds were also lost. The road to 4,000 views is a wavy travel, as wavy as the climb to 1,000 followers. The sad reality that sometimes nobody's there to watch your vlog is disheartening. The confusion whether I have made my best efforts in every vlog that I uploaded is haunting. And then there is this issue of copyrights. Years ago, the videos that I have successfully uploaded were copyrighted, maybe because of my claim to the ownership of the song, or the content itself did not go in accordance with YouTube copyright regulations. What to do in a situation like this is completely strange to me in the beginning, until just lately I learned how to settle whatever is being copyrighted. It's exciting that in vlogging, what you didn't know before suddenly becomes familiar to you. So I have learned quite a lot of things, and I'm learning more each day. Why then should I suddenly stop now when I have made vlogging the center of my daily activities? Why should I step back when I have just taken a forwarded leap? The best thing to do is to move on and accept what more challenges are there in the platform. Come on, beginners and small YouTubers. Let us explore more what really lies ahead. Always believe that you can do what before you cannot. Trust God and often have faith in Him. For sure, He will make it happen in His right time. Thank you, everyone. Take the uncertainty to where all the roads are leading. Our destiny is yet uncertain. We really don't know what's next. But moving on with God on our side is still the best refuge.